And moving on to the next stage, we have the key assumptions. So these are the key assumptions you can make about the solar system that we're providing to you. So we have the size, the year one production, the number of solar panels, the type of panels, the LG 335s, and the total annual degradation, which will typically be between 0.55 and 0.65 annual degradation. Basically, that means that after 25 years, the production of the solar system, the efficiency will be at about 80%. So annual panel degradation of about 0.55, that's sort of the average and is natural. Here you also have the utility company. You have the utility rate, which we're showing is at about 11 cents per kilowatt hour. You also have the utility tax rate, and then the annual utility rate of increase. Now, this can vary from market to market. Typically, we're showing between a 3 to 6% increase. And again, we are very conservative with this estimate, so a lot of times it will actually be maybe even slightly higher on this portion here, which just means more savings for the homeowner over time. And then you also have the annual utility amount. This is what the homeowner can expect to pay over the course of a year when going through the utility company renting their power versus owning it through solar. You also have the net system price, the tax incentives, the utility incentive, which is nothing, and then the net system price down at the bottom. All right, and then we also have the Palmetto loan assumption. So this is the loan principal amount, this $40,000 here, showing your loan term at 25 years, the interest rate for the homeowners at 4.99. Now remember that varies depending on the loan term, and then the monthly payment, which is $169.57. The other assumptions you can include the panel warranties that we offer, a 25-year warranty. We also have an inverter warranty that comes with the system at 12 years. Now there's also an upgrade you can provide that will update that to 25 years. I believe it's about $350. Well worth and highly encouraged to add that into the homeowner system. We also have a couple other warranties that we offer, a penetration warranty of 5 years as well. And a 10-year workmanship warranty. Now here is the additional products that you'll see. Now this is important because this, once we energize a homeowner system and the system's turned on, they will actually be able to monitor their production from what is called the Palmetto Home. So what we do is when they sign the initial contract, about a day afterward, we'll send over an email inviting them to actually take a look and track the progress of their solar system. And they can actually, at the end of that, once we turn the system on, they can also monitor the production from that site. Now they can also, if they decide to get a consumption device, they can see the consumption there at the Palmetto Home website, which is also available in an app as well. And then of course you have your why go solar, some of the various reasons that we think it's important. Obviously, to control your energy, we are very, very strong believers in sustainability for the homeowner. You're going to be paying less, more than likely, for clean energy. You're also going to be making an investment into your home, which is huge. There's been a couple of studies that have been done to show that the value of the home actually increases a certain percentage once the homeowner gets solar panels. So something worth looking at there. And then this great little graph up here, very, very nice, aesthetically pleasing picture to show the homeowner, look, this is what your rate's going to look like if you decide to go solar. But if you decide to go with the utility, it's just going to keep increasing. And here is all the money that you're going to be losing because you're deciding to stay with the utility company. And then, of course, the main portion here is environmentally. Obviously, this is going to help the earth, so we like to throw something in here and show you what exactly you're doing for the earth when you help homeowners go solar. So these are all of the statistics here. And then below this, you have the next steps, which provides the installation timeline schedule. And that basically is showing you the Probably the average timeline that you can expect for a solar installation, depending on if you have an HOA and depending on if the project ever has any changes along the way. That's going to obviously slow down the process to bring it up to about 90 days. And then typically we are seeing our installs happen within 45 to 60 days. This also depends on the market as well. Some markets are a little bit tougher than others as far as the timeline goes. And then at the very end, the homeowner does not need to sign this, but there also are solar facts that you can look into that will just give you a little bit more information about what it means to go solar. You can take a look at that when you have the time.